Today I want to talk about your old windows. You know, the windows, the wooden windows, that the paint's peeling, you've got the fog in between your windows, the draft inside the house. Those are the windows I'm talking about. Hi Atlanta, my name is Dan Watkins. I'm with All Four Seasons Windows. Today I want to talk about your old windows. You know, the windows, the wooden windows, that the paint's peeling, you've got the fog in between your windows, the draft inside the house. Those are the windows I'm talking about. It's time to replace your windows. And not only are you going to get some beautiful windows when you replace them, you're going to get rid of the fog, you're not going to have that draft in your living room or your family room or your kitchen. But maybe the most important thing is you're going to start saving a lot of money on your energy bills. If you can control that temperature in your home and start saving money, keeping money in your pocket, you're going to be a lot better off. I know you're worried about how much the cost is of these windows, but we do have financing available for you, so you can spread that cost over 2, 4, 6, 8, or 10 years. So you're gonna see the savings right away from the windows. They're gonna look a lot better, and the maintenance on them is not gonna be every 2 or 3 years where you're having to paint them to keep them looking good. Look, you can look at vinyl windows or aluminum windows. No matter what you get, you're typically gonna have a lifetime warranty on the window and the labor. So no matter what windows you go with, you should have a lifetime of enjoyment and a lifetime of energy saving. So if you're in the Atlanta area, please give All Four Seasons Windows a call today.